Want to make AI videos for free? Here's how. Ever wondered how to create viral AI videos without spending a dime? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to make AI-generated videos using just one free website. No ChatGPT, no hidden fees. AI videos, especially AI cat videos, are getting millions of views, and YouTube pays up to $4 per 1,000 views. That means just one good AI video can make you a steady income. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser. Go to Meta AI and log in. You'll need a Facebook account. Tell Meta AI what kind of video you want to create. It will generate a story for you. Step 2. Get images for your video. Ask Meta AI for 10 image ideas based on your story. It will generate 4 versions of each image. Pick the best ones. Then ask Meta AI to animate them into a video. Save your animated image. Step 3. Edit and upload. Save your animated images and combine them into a full video using CapCut or UCut. Add a catchy title, hashtags, and upload it to YouTube. If you want more explanation, visit our website in the video description. Want to go viral? Study other viral videos for ideas. In my next video, I'll show you how to write titles and hashtags that boost views. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more easy tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.